Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So first, start the vehicle. Wait just a moment for all of your display here to load. Alright, so then you'll push to the left to access your menu. And then you're going to scroll, depending on where you're at, up or down. We'll go to settings and hit OK. And I'm using this to toggle between up and down and OKs. And then here you'll go up or down as needed and hit OK on driver assist. And then right here, traction control is activated. Typically you want it on. You might want it off for certain situations, maybe like certain terrain on the road. That would make sense, or if somehow you installed like a hitch, I guess, maybe for some sort of towing, but I would not recommend doing that in a Focus. But yeah, sorry, we'll go back to that menu and then you just hit OK to turn it on or off. So driver assist, I'm just hitting OK for everything. And just wait a moment for it to turn off. That's it, now it's off. And then you should see an indicator here lit up if it's off, and then that'll go away when you turn it back on. So I'll do the opposite as well, turn it back on, because I'm gonna leave it on in mine. Driver assist, and then it's back on. All right, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.